but 99% of life's history vanished without a trace. Yet, one fossil reveals a stunning evolutionary secret. But this is Archaeopteryx, the pivotal link between dinosaurs and birds. Its discovery fundamentally altered our understanding of life's transitions. Found embedded in fine-grained limestone from Bavaria. But dating back to the late Jurassic period, over 150 million years ago. And now that we understand its setting, let's explore its dual nature. The Archaeopteryx possessed undeniable reptilian characteristics. But look closely at the jaws. They housed sharp, serrated teeth. Its long, bony tail further cements its dinosaurian heritage. This tail contrasts sharply with modern birds' short, fused tailbones. Its shoulder girdle also reflected ancestral forms, optimized for terrestrial movement. But yet, the most striking feature defies simple classification. The feathers. Asymmetrical, complex flight feathers adorn its forelimbs. These structures are homologous to those used by modern flying species. Asymmetry suggests they were already adapted for generating aerodynamic lift. The creature was approximately the size of a modern crow or raven. Its large eye sockets suggest keen vision, critical for aerial navigation. Imagine this creature navigating dense Jurassic forests near lagoons. But did it glide, flap, or simply leap between branches? Although its claws were strong, capable of gripping wood securely for perching. But locomotion on the ground remained awkward, clearly not primary. The evidence suggests an arboreal lifestyle, using feathers for descent control. Or it existed during the evolutionary radiation of feathered dinosaurs. It shares ancestry with raptors, showcasing the link to terrestrial hunters. Shared traits include the wishbone structure, or furcula, in the chest. This creature wasn't the first feathered dinosaur, but the first with true flight potential. The fossil record is sparse, making each specimen invaluable for understanding change. A microscopic analysis reveals keratin structures common to modern bird plumage. Now that we understand its anatomy, let's explore the mechanics of its movement. The key, its wrist flexibility, hints at a transition toward full wing articulation. Though the wings were not robust enough for sustained, flapping, powered flight. It likely utilized controlled descent, using feathers to brake or steer. This behavior, known as wing-assisted incline running, evolved later. Its diet, indicated by teeth, likely included insects and small lizards. The lagoon environment provided abundant food sources for this specialized niche inhabitant. Evolutionary pressure favored traits that improved mobility and survival. The feathers themselves represent a profound evolutionary commitment. These structures were not initially for flight, but perhaps for insulation. Later, these proto-feathers were co-opted for aerodynamic function. Now that we understand the function, let's examine its placement in the lineage. The hind foot shows a partially reversed hallux, a key avian trait. This reversal is crucial for securely gripping vertical surfaces like tree trunks. Multiple Archaeopteryx specimens confirm this mosaic of features existed. It lived in a world dominated by massive, non-avian dinosaurs. Survival depended on exploiting niches unavailable to its giant relatives. The path to modern birds diverged here, selecting for lighter skeletons. Though not fully hollow, its bones showed signs of pneumatic reduction. The initial finds sparked intense debate over classification for decades. The three distinct, clawed fingers remain partially separate on the wing. But these dinosaurian hands were gradually reduced and fused over time. The loss of teeth in later avians marked the final step away from reptilian ancestry. The Archaeopteryx represents a snapshot of avian morphology in mid-evolution. It was a creature perfectly adapted to its specific, transitional ecological niche. But the existence of Archaeopteryx proves evolutionary hypotheses regarding bird origins. Buried rapidly in volcanic ash, its delicate structures were perfectly intoned. This singular finding provided the most concrete evidence for Darwin's theory. It sits perfectly between the terrestrial predators and the soaring avians. The Archaeopteryx remains a testament to nature's patient, intricate experimentation. An reptilian body wrapped in the promise of aerial mastery forever captured in stone.